Hey guys, Amy Jackson here, and today I wanna share my personal information with you. This is my JVZOO account dashboard, and this is the live proof that I'm making a really big amount of money from JVZOO. But this is not it. I have something more than that to show you, and it is my another JVZOO account. I'm gonna log in my another JVZOO account in front of you. So, as you can see, gross revenue is 9,000 plus, and I have earned 6,700 with 131 sales. And yesterday, gross revenue was 12,000 plus, and I made 7,000 plus earnings with 183 sales. You may want to know how I'm making this kind of amount daily. How do I promote and what tools I use? All you have to do is subscribe my YouTube channel, and I will share all the information I have by creating video tutorials. And my next video will be on a super affiliate plugin that I'm using in my WordPress dashboard. And it really helps me a lot in making huge amount of money from JVZOO with free traffic. Thank you, have a great day, and don't forget to subscribe.